And we've got some fairy lights here. These happen to be the AA battery, so there's 3 of them in here, and it is with a remote control. The important thing here to note is that these happen to be rolls that are in hundreds, and they're 10 meters long. That makes them 33 feet. That's warm. That's a cool white. Now, with the remote control option on these boxes, you can do them in a bunch of different settings, which is important because this way it's not just going to be a solid light, that sort of thing. And they are offset, which is good because it doesn't mean that all the lights are on or all the lights are off, flickering or blinking. They'll actually fade and strobe and do all kinds of nice things on the actual string, giving you a much different look, a much more natural look to it if that's what you're looking for. Again, you get a whole ton. There's basically 8 different settings plus, of course, off. That's what you can do with it. Now, the first one's combination. Second one is wave, which is a very smooth, nice look to it. There's all kinds of different settings to it, so you're definitely going to find the one style that you like best. Easy to use. Again, a little bit more water resistant than some of the other ones that originally were made because this does have a rubber gasket on the inside of it. And just make sure that it's properly in place because it does fall out of place pretty easy. But they are very reasonably priced lights, so I don't feel too guilty about that. And again, better if they're going to be outdoors. And if you're using them for projects, this is really good because, I mean, they are going to last you about 24 hours a shot. So that's an awful long time to have these batteries on. And when the batteries, with the timer built into it, it's a really nice feature, especially if you have a tendency of leaving things on in the backyard, on a patio, that sort of thing. You can just set the timer and they will go off for you. So that's a pretty good feature to have. And again, because they're battery, you don't have to find any AC power options or a USB plug. But there you go. Nice, easy, especially if you're going to have a party. Fairy lights always make your event just look that much better. These can be placed anywhere and everywhere. Well, I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching and bye for now.